Today I am doing some shimmer nails, glazed donut nails. So these are going to be gel, polygel nails. I will use a little bit of polymer powder just to strengthen things a little bit, but predominantly gel nails today. White and then iridescent shimmery over the top, over the white. And then I have the base coat, top coat there, the slip solution there, and everything is ready. These are the nail formers for each finger. I'm just going to remove any shine with some acetone and make sure my nails are prepared and ready for the gel. This is white, like I said, because I'm going for a pearly white stiletto, slight stiletto, not too long. This Fairy Glow gel polish is kind of like an iridescent without having to dip my fingers in powder. I'm just going to use a chrome kind of polish instead of chrome powder. This is the finished glazed donut nails. Slightly iridescent because I had used a polish instead of a powder. I'm happy with how it turned out. It's okay. I don't want it to be too iridescent because the iridescence I use is like a bluish one. Yeah, it's like more of a chrome blue. Yeah. See that? That is a glaze. Slight electric blue shimmer without the overkill because the white I use is slightly sheer, slightly opaque, not stark white for the gel. Yeah, that's it. Sometimes not everything is perfect when I do the gel nails, usually at the cuticle area. So what I do is clean up the cuticle area in case there is any excess gel. I usually go in with my file like for the edges, like around here. Around here, I go in with my file with the edges just to make sure that it's not too wide and there's not any excess gel. When you put the base coat and then the color and then the top coat, it can make things thicker. Even if you filed everything down when you added the gel, the poly gel, even when you file everything down with a poly gel, when you add your base coat, color, and top coat, or even if you're adding like a primer or something and jewels or decoration, it can make the nail thicker. So sometimes I just slightly go in on the edge. It's not going to be taking off too much stuff, but it's just a slight little tweak. And then here at the cuticle, just to make sure there's no excess on the cuticle, because if there's excess, then you might have lifting. I haven't had any issues. It's been holding up now for a few days. All I have to do is mainly tweak the cuticle area a little bit.